Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step process on how to change your currency on Remitly. So first we're going to go to our browser and we're going to search for remitly.com. As you can see, we're already logged in. So when you see the exchange rate option, there is an arrow next to the flag, so you can search any country and their currency, or you can go to the app. Since we're already logged in, you're going to click on Manage button. So next, under the account details, there is sending to Eritrea option. You're going to click on it, then you're going to select whichever country you want along with their currency. So I chose Ethiopia as an example. So once you click on it, it's automatically going to change the currency you're using. So when you go to the home page, it's going to show you the currency that it is right now, as you can see on the top page. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.